Hi, this is Stavros from drywallrepairman.com. This is the second video. The first one we did, you saw this whole place wrapped up in poly. As we mentioned on the previous video, we had double-sided tape around the sides, and then we spray glued all the plastic together so it was like a bubble, and we retextured the whole ceiling. This area here, there was about exactly one width drywall, 4 feet all the way across, that was removed. This was all removed, so we boarded all this, we filled it. You can come in, it's alright, I'm just doing a video, finish off. And as you can see, there's no real transition. You can't see where we've patched.
Good.
And then,
Sign the check.
as you can see, it's spotless. That's what happens when you wrap the whole place in poly. And here are all the people coming in now. The entourage. Darcy, you're supposed to remind me to take a video. Where were you?
You're taking it now, aren't you?
Yeah, you didn't remind me though.
Yes.
No, you didn't. Okay. Yeah, just wanted to show you. We had a big patch over here. You can't see it. There's no transition whatsoever. Okay. See you in the next video.